Hello friends, I am Ariful Haq. Today I am going to show you how to find the PDC emulator in your domain controller. Okay, so this tutorial will show you and guide you step by step to find out or locate the PDC emulator machine so that you can do some advanced troubleshooting of your Active Directory administration part. So first of all, I need to log into any of the domain controller. Here, open the normal PowerShell, and from the PowerShell, you need to run the command Get-ADDomain, then space pipe, select object. Then once you have selected the objects, then you can filter with the properties with the property name PDC Emulator. Then you can hit enter. Redirected with the PDC Emulator systems host name.